Hey guys, it's a video, and this is a dog fight versus child. I just wanted to catch this on video because my dog's trying to bite my brother. And wait.
No.
I'm trying to lift him with one arm. I'm trying to get him to attack you. And now he's trying to nip on Kyle because he thinks he's a human shield. I'm sorry. Nah. So, this is kind of a short video again, but let's try and get... Oh God. Anyway, subscribe for Kyle's fails and... Oh God, never mind. He's attacking. This is worth it. Comedy gold.
Comedy.
Help me. It's the Cooper. It's gone wild. And this is kind of a short video. Like I was saying, oh my God, Cooper, you scared the crap out of me. Anyway, this is kind of a short video. He's trying to bite his own tail, and goodbye.